Hey, hey, hey! Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj. And guys, today is the 70th episode of this podcast. Yes, I have been consistently posting and publishing my podcast every single day since 29th August 2022, and it's been 70 consistent, regular posting of my content on a daily basis. I'm so proud of myself for literally doing this. And 20 more days to go for completing the 90 days challenge. But literally, I'm so happy that I could pull it up till now. And of course, you as listeners, as my audience, have literally supported me by listening to my podcast every single day. And I'm so thankful for that. I really appreciate your time, your energy, your efforts of even going to the link and listening to what I'm saying. The only intention of me starting with this podcast was to give you one single tip or one single message on self-love, on happiness, on positivity, and to help you get started with your day full of inspiration, full of positivity, full of energy, and the enthusiasm to take the day heads on and to never lose hope no matter what you are facing in your life. With every episode that I have shared till now, I think I have done really a justice to what my mission of starting this podcast was. One person who is really my role model and whom I really admire and look up to when it comes to personal development is Mr. Robin Sharma. And today, I'm just quoting one of the very famous quote from him. Nothing more for today's topic. It's just one sweet little but very powerful message from Mr. Robin Sharma. He says, love yourself enough to avoid people who make you feel bad, projects that steal your genius, and actions that dishonor your greatness. Now this is something which he always repeats and again something which I really resonate with. He says, you can own your craft and change the world. Or you can chill with energy vampires and hang with dream stealers. You can't do both. And it's really so true and so powerful. I can't even express this in words. He further adds on to this and says, the reality is not everyone is meant to travel with you all the way to the end. People who don't get you, demean your dreams, mock your ambitions, and pour negativity on your abundant positive energy need not to be accompanying you in your journey. If you are serious about standing in the glory of the full expression of your genius and serving the world unusually well, your life looks a lot like the people you hang with, the project you choose, and the action you take. Choose well. Your greatness depends on it. So, I think this was really something I really needed to share with you all, and what more a beautiful occasion than celebrating my 70th episode of the podcast. So I hope you have liked the podcast. I hope you have liked every episode of the podcast I have published till now. If you haven't listened to it yet, I genuinely and I sincerely invite you to please start now. Please listen to the podcast. And I am always available on the DMs and on the voice message. So in case you think of having a one-on-one with me, you are most welcome. Please drop a voice message or directly DM me. All the links are in the description. So with this, I'll sign off for now, waiting for your feedback for all the work that I have done till now. Stay tuned for all the episodes. Until the next episode, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.